Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Black+Decker 0.9 CU Fort and the Comfee 1.6 CU Fort. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. First, we will look at their capacities and how they cater to different laundry needs. Next, we will compare their wash cycles and temperature options. And finally, we will discuss their pricing and portability. Let's get started. The Black+Decker washer has a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for small loads, while the Comfee's model offers a larger capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, accommodating more laundry at once. This difference is crucial for users who need to wash larger items or more clothes in a single cycle. When it comes to wash cycles, the Black+Decker offers 5 different settings, while the Comfee's provides 6 wash programs. This additional option in the Comfee's model allows for more versatility in handling different fabric types and soil levels, making it a better choice for varied laundry needs. In terms of pricing, the Black+Decker model is priced at $249, making it a budget-friendly option for those with limited laundry needs. On the other hand, the Comfee is priced at $329, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry requirements, this could influence your decision significantly. To wrap up, both the Black+Decker and Comfee's portable washers have their unique strengths. If you prioritize portability and budget, the Black+Decker is an excellent choice. However, if you need more capacity and versatility in wash programs, the Comfee's is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.